What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Sammy channel, and today it's gonna be a truck tour of this sexy beast. Ignore all the cancer and everything, but look at this beast. Huh. If you guys, I got rid of my Chevy and I bought this sucker. She is mint. I think I have the key on me. I do have the fucking key on me. We're gonna start her up because I've done a little modification. It's called cutting off the muffler, because if you keep your muffler on your truck, you're a queer. God damn it. Tight fucking pants. Just gotta fuck with this key. Woo! Mint! I'll give her a little rap for y'all. Back! Damn it. Yeah, her name is Josie, and she's my baby. The things I've done to this truck is paint the rims, because the rims looked like shit when I bought my truck. But, I mean, that's all I've done to her, but this winter I plan on doing a shitload of work to her. For mileage, she has got 222,820. Needs an oil change extremely badly. Here's your interior. I plan on ditching out that radio and getting rid of it. Plan on putting some subs in here. I have my old ones in here for right now. I probably gonna figure out a way to wire up these, and probably a 12 or 10-inch fucking like kicker or something. Put that underneath my seat. You know, show you underneath, so you got plenty of room for a sub. And yeah. I love her. Way nicer than my old truck. And now we better shut her off since we annoyed the fuck out of the neighbors. But yeah, little truck tour for y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it. And keep liking and subscribing. Have a nice day.